Hello there, this is Shannon Bowdy, and I'm the incoming president for the Pismo Beach 5 Cities Rotary Club. I'm so excited about my upcoming year. Because we have to be socially distanced and I can't present my board with the pins at a party like we normally would, I am going to visit each of their homes to bring them their pins for my year. And our incoming Rotary International President, Holger Knack, his theme for his year, or my year too, is Rotary Opens Opportunities. So let's take a ride around and see if we can find any Rotarians that will open their doors to me and get their pins for my year. Looking forward to a great year. That'll be a whole lot of fun. All right. Now I'm at President Jack's house. He's going to be one happy fellow. Let's go see if he's home. You think he's home? Jack, are you home?
Who's here? Oh,
this is the happiest fellow in the world because he is outgoing president. Yay! So he'll be serving on my board as past president. And Jack, there's your pin. That's
wow.
Rotary Opens Opportunities. So yay! Thank you.
Thank you, Shannon. Very nice. Much
you.
success.
Okay, now I'm at my incoming community service director, Sharon Ellis's house to give her pin. Yay! Sharon, there's your pin.
Okay.
Yay! Now we're at John Travisaro's house, and he's going to be in our foundation committee. Thank you for serving on the board, John. Here's your pin.
Thank you.
Yay! Come on out, Sally and Jeff. Hi! Yay!
Oh, you look so cute.
Thank you. So now we're at the King's house, and Jeff is one of my presidential advisors, and Sally is a co-executive secretary. Thank you for serving on the board with me.
Thank you.
Well,
for
thank
appointing
you.
us.
Thank you. There's your pins.
Super.
Yay!
Great.
Now I'm at the Salome's house, and they are going to be on my board as co-executive secretary for Margie and vocational service director for Eddie. Thank you so much for serving on our board. Here's your pin.
Thank you.
Yay! Yay! I'm at the Boyer residence, and Michael is my incoming sergeant at arms, and Ashley's my incoming club service. Let's see if they're home. Hi guys!
Hello.
I'm here to present your pins for my incoming board. Here's Ashley Boyer, my incoming club service, and Michael Boyer, my incoming sergeant at arms. There's your pins.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'm really excited about my year. Yay! Okay, now we're at Paul Holden's house, and where's Paul? Come on out.
Hey.
Here's Paul Holden and his beautiful puppy dog, and he is our incoming foundation chair for my board. Yay, Paul! Thank you. All right, now I'm at Pismo Beach Vet, and I'm going to see my treasurer, Michelle Wright, and my presidential advisor, one of my presidential advisors, Joel Kahn. Let's go see. Okay, I'm here presenting pins to one of my presidential advisors, Dr. Joel Kahn, and my treasurer extraordinaire, Michelle Wright. Can't wait to serve with you on this board this coming year. Here's your pins. It's not, okay. Now we're at Jenny Derrick's house, and she is my incoming funds development on my board. Hi, Jenny.
Hi.
I got your pin right there on the on welcome mat.
Thank you.
Can't wait to serve on the board with you. Yay! Now I'm at the Clark Center and presenting my membership director, Connie O'Henley. Yay! Can't wait to serve with you this year. There's your pin. Yay!
Fabulous year.
Yay! Okay, now I found Karen Zappia at her work, Live Eyewear in San Luis Obispo, and Karen is going to be our incoming president after me, so she's president-elect. Thank you for being on the board, Karen. Here's your pin. Yay! Now we're at Mark Olson's house, and he is our incoming youth service director on our board. Welcome to the board, Mark. Here's here's your pin.
Wonderful. Wow. You
Thank-
got all dressed up for me too, huh?
Yes, thank you for serving on the board. Yay, very excited. Now I'm at the Curry Cattle Ranch. Let's see if Steve's home. Look, here comes Steve, Curry, and Buddy. Buddy is being socially distanced with a mask as well. Good job, Buddy. Look at him. Oh, big guy.
My
Look
buddy
at
wanted
you.
to come and say hello.
Oh, hi, Buddy. Well, anyway, Steve, I'm here to present your pin because you're going to be our international service on my board, and thank you for serving with me.
Thank you
Steve.
very much.
I really appreciate it.
All right. Well, thank you for
Thank
coming
you.
by.
Thank you.
Wow, that was so much fun going to everybody's houses or their work, giving their pins. It's going to be a great year, everybody. So looking forward to being a president. I thank you all. Here's to Rotary.